Hello all, welcome to Buzzing Top 10. Today we are going to look into one of the most mysterious topics that is being unsolved for ages. The one thing more mysterious than the black hole, more puzzling than dark matter, and more baffling than the existence of aliens is right in the middle of the Atlantic Ocean, the Bermuda Triangle. Also known as the Devil's Triangle, the Bermuda Triangle is one of the most sought-after unsolved mysteries of the world. People have been trying to solve this enigma for decades, however with no solid leg. Maybe there is something here that will unravel a part of this puzzle and lead the way to hidden secrets. So what is this Bermuda Triangle? For the uninformed, this is not an area. Bermuda Triangle is a region of the Atlantic Ocean with 5 lakh square miles or 1.3 m square kilometer in size. It is a triangular region connecting Florida, Puerto Rico, and Bermuda. If you think the mysterious nature of this place has rendered the Bermuda Triangle deserted, you are gravely mistaken. This is a part of a busy shipping route in the world, with a number of shipments heading to the USA, Europe, and the Caribbean. What is the history behind this location? The mention of the Bermuda Triangle dates back to the time of Christopher Columbus, who claims to have seen a flame of fire crashing into the sea at this particular spot. However, this area came under scrutiny in the 20th century, when a Navy ship with about 300 people carrying 10,000 tons of manganese on board went missing in this region in 1918. A few other such instances were also reported with no explanation. However, it is interesting to note that an American author, Vincent Hayes Gaddis, coined the term Bermuda Triangle for a cover article for the Argosy magazine, and the name stands until today, so does the mystery. Myths behind Bermuda Triangle. Anything the human mind cannot perceive is ruled out as a mystery or an alien doing. With as many as 50 ships and 20 airplanes having disappeared in the Bermuda Triangle, many theories have floated for decades. While a few say that the disappearances can be attributed to alien activity, a few others strongly attribute this to the workings of an underwater mythical city, Atlantis. Some even suggested that it is paranormal activity and is a supernatural thing going on in the Bermuda Triangle. Irrespective of what the common pulse is that makes such stories more exciting, decoding the mystery will answer many decades of questions. Here are a few unexplained incidents. Times Ellen Austin, a large cargo ship set sailing along the Bermuda Triangle. Upon seeing a small boat adrift, Captain Baker ordered 4 crew members to sail the boat to New York. No point in guessing what happened to the boat. The entire crew disappeared, and a second crew which was sent on the same boat disappeared too. Times a 12-member US Navy team, as a part of a radar training flight aboard an airplane, disappeared after sending their radio position, never to be found. Times Frank and Romina Leone, in 2003, went on a fishing trip and got lost, supposedly in the Bermuda Triangle. Times recently in 2015, 2 boys in a small boat disappeared. Although the boat was found off the coast of Bermuda a year later, the boys are yet to be found. Do you want to decode a few incidents? Why not, if they can throw light on a scientific viewpoint? Case 1: Disappearance of the USS Cyclops. The loss of the US Navy's largest fuel ships at the Bermuda Triangle is the largest loss of life in US history. The ship set sail from Brazil to Baltimore, however, went missing without any distress signal or responding to the radio calls. While many conspiracies attribute this to alien or supernatural activity, scientists have other reasons in mind. They have attributed such disappearances to weather changes, shallow waters, and methane gas eruptions on the seafloor. They also claim that such instances can happen anywhere in the ocean. Case 2: SS Cotopaxi missing. The SS Cotopaxi, which went missing in 1925, while traveling from South Carolina to Havana, is considered another missing ship. Thought to be completely missing after getting sunk into the Bermuda Triangle, it wasn't until recently that a shipwreck in the seabed of the eastern coast of St. Augustine was found, and testified to be the same ship. This is also called the Bear Wreck by the locals. Case 3: The curious case of Charles Taylor. Among many disappearances in the Bermuda Triangle, planes and flights are as many as ships. One such case is that of Charles Taylor and the 5 planes. On investigating, it was found that due to weather changes and darkness, Taylor had navigated the planes in the wrong direction. And for Taylor, getting lost was not new, and had to be rescued twice already. With many trainees on the flight, knowledge of the trainees could also have been one of the reasons. Myths busted. With many theories in place and unexplained incidents, one might wonder if there is something more than meets the eye. As easy as it might be to accredit supernatural phenomena, scientists have other reasons. One hypothesis is that the pilots failed to account for the iconic line, the place at which there is no need to compensate for magnetic compass variation, near the Bermuda Triangle, resulting in navigational errors. The Bermuda Triangle is located in an area where storms from multiple directions can converge and create a rougeway. Methane gas, known to exist in large quantities under the sea, can create an electrical spark, causing ships or flights to sink without a trace. There can be more geographical or hydrological reasons, but only if one can be proven can the Bermuda Triangle puzzle be solved, or can we at least try to scratch the surface. A few more did you know in support of Bermuda Triangle. Times despite its reputation, the Bermuda Triangle does not have a high incidence of disappearances. Times any other region in the Atlantic Ocean is also prone to such disappearances. Times the World Wildlife Fund, WWF, conducted an exhaustive study of maritime shipping lanes and determined that the Bermuda Triangle is not one of the world's 10 most dangerous bodies of water for shipping. Times the Bermuda Triangle has heavy traffic both by sea and air. Times the deepest point in the Atlantic Ocean is located in the Bermuda Triangle. Times the Bermuda Triangle does not appear on any map. Times the Bermuda Triangle is not recognized as an official region of the Atlantic Ocean. Times scientists point out weird instances of waterspouts, eruptions, and magnetic anomalies. Times scientists also attribute the disappearances to rouge waves, extreme storm waves that can be spontaneous and reach up to 100 feet. Such waves can come out unexpectedly from all directions and are twice the size of the surrounding waves. In conclusion, the ocean can be a mysterious place, and like the Earth is an enigma. It is only humanly possible to detect and decode a part of nature, and finding a scientific tag for every theory is not practical. Ships and flights have been missing. Is it a human error or a weather phenomenon? We don't know for sure. That being said, the disappearances and mysteries cannot be ruled out and need to be researched. All we know is that we don't know what transpired at the Bermuda Triangle in stone, and we should sharpen our axe and learn more to unravel not only the puzzling Bermuda Triangle jigsaw pieces, but also the other unsolved and missing pieces of the world. That's all for today. Subscribe to Buzzing Top 10 for more interesting topics. Until then, bye.